CSO Students Organization Women for continue protesting against CA Bill 10 hurt in protests. People's Day held at Chief Minister Secretariat. CM hears various grievances. And cordon and search operation continue ahead of Republic Day celebration. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by Haripriya Tongra. Now let's have the news in details. The people of the entire Northeast Indian states continue with its agitations against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, which was passed in Lok Sabha on January 8 last. Students of 6 different schools, along with women vendors of the state, conducted a protest rally under the aegis of 6 different student organizations today. Police intercepted the protester near the western gate of Kangla, resulting in a clash between the police personnel and protester. Protester attacked the police by pelting stones in the confrontation. Later, the police resorted to tear gas shells and mob bomb to bring the situation under control. On the other hand, the women vendors also staged protests against the arrest of 2 student protesters by the police. Students of CC Higher Secondary School, Tamfasna Girls Higher Secondary School, Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Ibotonsana Higher Secondary School, Model Higher Secondary School, and Ananda Singh Academy took part in the agitation. At least 10 protesters agitating against the CA bill were heard in confrontation between volunteers of Amakok Student Organization, ADA, and police. The injured protesters are undergoing treatment at Ras Medicity at Hatta Minitong. Amoco has started street corner meetings at various places in the state with an aim to share the ideologies and impart knowledge about the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 to the public. Today, similar street corner meeting was held at Langjing Achauba. General Secretary of Amoco Sanjoy Sorokhaibam expressed his views on different aspects of the bill which can affect the indigenous people of northeastern states, including Manipur.
Mituk miran za masing gasik mati henggal ain kain changlang le security sin control to bangam de masing matik sab ain so le bangam de government indian se protect to bangam de adoga manipur gi driver sin so masing tingam de busalai hoji kasing koya da masing tingam de papa langi mi sin le selak lena na ai khoi gi ngasi di assembly da mapa jiri da eskalok gi mi se papa langi mi na ngasi di assembly sanglok matam de aduna ngasi di 2016 citizen amendment bin ase 2019 gi January thagi Tang Nipan Parliament Lok Sabha pass tokre aduga Rajya Sabha pass the president approve togi gedana masi approve toragadi Afghanistan amadi akhoi Pakistan and Bangladesh la riba Hindu Buddhist Jain Christian Shin aduga Prasian sing punamak access ra punamak sing ase freely movement sang koibe yabi permission laishalale adu mainly northeast amadi Manipur target opselale government India habase akhoi gi Manipur da 1949 the first NS togi matung digi divide sanaba black lo thamjanba kain kota senama nupi rap toba aduga artificial flood kya thuanba aduga Manipur masi
So Manjit Sarangtham announced for a public meeting on January 20 to decide on a strong mass agitation against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He was addressing a press conference held at the office of AIMS at Kwakethal today. Manjit strongly condemned the high-handed nature of the public while trying to drive the agitators, including the student and the women vendors, away. People's Day was held at CM Bungalow today to hear people grievances in an effort to maintain good relations with the public by the BJP-led government under N. Biren. He listened to grievances of people coming from various parts of the state. Government institutions took up immediate steps after hearing the complaints. Here's what some of the visitors told Tom TV News.
सरकारजी हक्तकदी अखोई उनबा फंगिजे ngasi kakning bada ngasi do unaba phangbuji yam nongai je
unaiben CM ngasi unane khanbada khoi aduki mate harauje mamang du amukta su lakjadri ado hanta kisna ahan boina lakjabani sidai je harau harau na khoi bu sanghan bira bagi damta khoi ni amna thagajaba bondok jai.
Moreh Police also organized People Day at Moreh Police IB Hall. It was attended by Moreh Police SDPO Sandeep Gopal Das, DSP Thomas, OC Jateshwar and other officials, along with leaders of different organizations and the public. Everyone took a pledge to work together to safeguard the unification of different communities of Moreh and help each other and work towards removing the drugs. Ahead of the Republic Day celebration and to avoid any untoward incident, Imphal West District Police Commando conducted mass search operation in Imphal City this morning. CDO of Bazaar Mobile Unit led by Additional SP Operation T.H. Krishna Tombi conducted cordon and search operation at Kakulong in Pauna Bazaar area beside Masjid Road, bank of Nabul River and surrounding areas of Maharani Bridge. The operation began from 7:45 am till 8:30 am, wherein 275 persons were verified and 8 persons without proper ID cards were handed over to City Police for further verification. On the other hand, a team led by SP Gautam of Thoubal District conducted search drive in and around Thoubal Bazaar, in which 10 persons without proper ID proof were picked up by the police for further verification. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Hello Kids Clubhouse Play School. Play smart, grow smart. Admissions open for 2019 sessions for playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG at affordable fee structure. It follows Playway and Montessori teaching by well-trained teachers with the help of audio-visual medium and regular activities to enhance creativity. It provides midday meal and transportation facilities. For more detail, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse 700-5172-365 or 9612719050.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakpada monsoon offer pijiri India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyam da phanganjari ho sangbai ama takpada electric prepaid ta subnata ki lupa ni makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awaba leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak link sinbirau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawbi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome to Aryan Furniture House. Manipur da sajaba quality maintain tauraba makhal kayagi furniture items sing suna fanghanjari. Adongi apamba makhal gi furniture items sing khanbiyu lengsin birau Aryan Furniture House Hata Minuthong.
Abema nang na tamibe school IPS hai du yam chiksi li phai hai nei kam do gine
My school is a quality based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
hai ma isa di IPS ki boarding de le rub de English ki command su phajna le re lyrics su am hai re personality talent su phajna le re na
To speak English is compulsory at our school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom gi angang singbu Kanchipur da leba IPS haibada Imphal Public Higher Secondary School da ming chanbiu loinan afaba bahiroi oyanbiu.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Welcome back. All Manipur DPC completed male candidates of Manipur Rifle MR 2016 batch today attempted to storm the CM bungalow demanding declaration of the DPC result. A huge clash broke out between the police personnel and the protester as the police used extra forces while trying to stop the protester. Later, a group of 4 persons representing the protester were able to meet the CM for talk. A DPC clear candidate said, Kangabam Manglimba has said that the protest is staged due to the fact that despite acknowledging the Chief Minister to declare the DPC result many times before, nothing has been done so far and further agitation will continue till the result is out.
Ado koi MRDPC 2016 gini ado koi haji hairupiyo na koi CM da hana dagi hana dum haijarabani haji po dum saka jin mathum na oi dabidre suma koi si leiriba mayam ji loina bangni ado haji CM gi da sangri ado sanga si da koi sum haijare haiba wakat mi pham da haijare ma tawre soi haibi ba yabi raktre tabidre trabni na koi haji asang khongjang changselage ado koi ban blockade tawrage na khale du koi na ban blockade tawgana praja da chaitheng do wagani khamada koi tawjadabani adu yadramina kari tawsige koi haibada koi singda su kari singni sinau mam yare aduna koi ji ban gumba tawrase na koi mayam hainare da kaumina ba MR koi gi flower gi di loi haido khrabadi aduna training loi gidore koi haji po koi haido bidramina koi je khanbi kaisu khanbo natana khanbi ramina koi ju tawjarage tawreje.
The people in the state are buying yongchak, which are brought from Myanmar at a very high price, since the cultivation of yongchak is dying in the state. As such, the Agriculture Department of Manipur is not doing much to investigate and conserve yongchak cultivation in the state. BJP turned Congress party member and veteran politician Okram Joy and Muhammad Abdul Rahman Khan are assigned as Langthabal Constituency Block Congress Committee and Khatrigao Constituency Block Congress Committee member respectively. The people of Ahallup protested against non-repairing of inter-village road of Sangakpham Ahallup, crossing Hengang by blocking road along the Ahallup. Secretary of Kontha Ahallup Social Welfare Club, Rakesh Asangba, said that the inter-village road of Sangakpham Ahallup, Hengang and Khamba of Hengang district has been neglected for a long period of time. The topic was brought to the attention of the CM, who won from Hengang constituency. The road still remains unattended, thus the road will be blocked till the matter is not resolved.
Koilas thabiu haijara gibje akoi yam kuirama matamdagi haijaramne adubu hoji pawo sukta thabidabje akoi gi parja mayam leiriba khun akoi gi Hengang Ahallup amadi akoi gi kairang pangal khabam pauri migi lifeline oiba lambije hoji pawda asuk tina thambirije akoi yam penjadeba sida ana ayak pukhatpa satra satri chaliba laikom leinang nongju pantha kapsan baje akoi ubada yam penjade aduna masi akoi gi mamang chahi 2018 gi July gi 11 da jo koi honorable CM akoi kendra sida gi ka gi ba mongon da jo koi miaw gi numit chatuna wakalabani adubu mana ta na tasana dabagi moong da adum leibje.
For the first time in the entire northeastern state of India, a one-week free children heart surgery camp is going to be conducted from March 3 to 9. The surgery camp will be jointly conducted by Healing Little Hearts, United Kingdom, Sky Hospital and Manipur Heart Foundation. The UK team comprising 14 members, including highly qualified and experienced surgeon, anesthetists, intensivists, perfusionists, etc. are going to participate in the camp. On the other hand, Governor Najma Heptulla, Chief Minister in Bahrain, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar wished the team of Sky Hospital a grand success in the week. Long free children heart surgery came to be held from March 3 to 9. 5-day film appreciation course organized by Department of Mass Communication, Manipur University and Film and Television Institute of India, FTII, Pune has kicked off at Department of Mass Communication, Manipur University. The opening ceremony was attended by Vice Chancellor in charge, Professor Amar Yumnam, FTII Director Bhupendra Kantola, IIS filmmaker Haubam Pavan Kumar, EMMRC Director Professor S. Jivan Kumar Singh, film scholar and critic R.K. Vidur with Pankaj Saxena and Munish Bardwaj as course director. Speaking on the importance of the course, R.K. Vidur said, film appreciation course is a vast course and it is a matter of pride that such a course is conducted in Manipur. He said that with the advance of technology, it has pave a new way for the film industry. He added that we must work hard to produce more films.
Today, technologically very much advanced now in filmmaking world. So, our times, film business course, your present days film course, there are kind of difference also. So, many technologies, many ideas were not known to us by that time. So, the then existing knowledge may be quite contrary to what we are having today.
Foreign liquor and beer worth 1 lakh rupees were seized by a team of Mori police, CDO Mori and 43AR during a drive at Mori town in Tangnokbal district around 6 p.m. yesterday. The seized products are Myanmar beer, Daiblo, Fort beer, Dali beer, Dragon beer, Heineken beer, Grandmaster whiskey, Old Monk high class and rum. The seized liquor was displayed before media at Mori Police IB and later destroyed by crushing the bottles and cans of liquor using JCB. Commandant of 182nd Battalion and Daiho Mao distributed solar lamps to the village chief and club member of Moirang Puril, Risipung Lesang Pung Mafau Kuki Village, Nongdam Tangkul Tamukong of Imphal East District under Civic Action Program. Commandant N. Daiho Mao said the program was held to maintain a good relationship between the BSF and the villagers and to look after the shortest of the villagers. CHYUC Chalho defeated MZSU Mafau by 2-1 in the first round of the ongoing 8th Haraurau Trophy at Hararau YMC ground today. In the second round, SYC Yumnam Kuno and Bolero Sector hit a draw with 1 goal each. And now let's have a short break.
Yapote lobu zakharba natro
zakri ma
aduidi cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishon du butot polorabadi injang iti thawraga lorabane adui ma dukan dagi bishon du go machanduga leibirogera
hoi hoi ima lobirurake bungo bisholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posu oire potjan ju yaudre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi basai try panji da pusoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, mithi jira powder, amadi hairibo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang mamanadaba packaging system so oraba. Manipur da yan hanboina spices industry da ISO 9001-2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmadanatana trademark su registration toraba KSI gi product tam seasonabio.
Sina khwai de gena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabani
Manipur da ihan hanba oina healthcare products ingi fangfom Dyknomet Instruments Healthcare System. Registered office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road, Imphal 795001. Branch office Lalambung Makhong, Rims Road near Syndicate Bank, Imphal 795001. Complete Rainstar surgical instruments, hospital equipments, OT lights and tables, auto claps, rehabilitation ads, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 0385 20569092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoigi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Dyknomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Matalgi Sasenaba Products Singdagi Jackson Biu. Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makhong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangwaiban Senam Lekai haina thari basin taba atopa amata Machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhanba singdagi checksinbiu hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsinbirau Machal Kanglaipak Spices Industry Lalambung Makhong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Welcome back. In order to dispel fears about a build-up of bad loans in Mudra loan schemes, the Finance Ministry is likely to ask banks to take the usual precaution and dispersal of such loans to be refinancing agencies. But by answering debt, lending to the targeted beneficiaries are not chalk. We tell the banks to be prudent and take commercially viable decision in case of Mudra loan as well. Decision that is the thumb rule for any loan. Mudra loans NPS at best could be under 3.5% of total outstandings of rupees 2.4 lakh crore of the PSBS in fiscal 2018, which is not alarming or worrisome. A Finance Ministry official said Mudra loan form part of MSME loans portfolio of the banks, and because of very shaky nature of assets and lack of collateral, loans to micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs bring higher gross non-performing assets or NPS. However, for most PSBS, MSME loans form a fraction of their total loan basket. The MSME NPS currently stand at 10 to 12% and the book is from rupees 50,000 crore to rupees 2 lakh crore for the PSBS. Aam Aadmi Party AAP lawmaker Sanjay Singh on Monday moved the Supreme Court seeking review of the verdict by which several pleas challenging the deal for procurement of Rafale hire jets were dismissed. A bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi on December 14 had dismissed as many as 4 petitions challenging the deal and had said that there was no occasion to really doubt the decision-making process warranting setting aside of the contract. Separate pleas were filed by Singh, lawyer M.L. Sharma, Vinit Dhanda and former BJP leaders Arun Sori, Yashwant Sinha and activist lawyer Prasan against the deal. Singh, a Rajya Sabha lawmaker of the AAP, has filed the review plea through lawyer Dheeraj Rajkumar Singh and Mrinal Kumar. The cyber unit of Delhi Police Special Cell has held one person in connection with the anonymous email threatening to kidnap Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's daughter. The person named Vikas was taken into custody today. This is the first significant development in the case. An email from an anonymous account threatening to kidnap Kejriwal's daughter, Harshita Kejriwal was sent to Delhi Chief Minister office on January 9, 2019. Delhi police later deployed a protective service officer PSO to CM daughters, and matter was handed over to its cyber cell. Kejriwal has mostly shielded his two children, daughter Harshita and son Pulkit, from public glare. According to media reports, Harshita cleared her IIT JEE exam in 2014 and is pursuing engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express.
Under CAB, eligible will be free to settle in any state, says Rajnath. Student bodies, Mairapaibis, continue to protest CAB 2016. Court summons 10 charge-seated cops. Suspended charge-seated cops pending trial, says Extrajudicial Execution Victim Family Association Manipur. MPP to protest CAB 2016.
The People's Chronicle.
Students denounce CAB mass protest on January 20th. Supreme Court rider on plea against CAB. Extrajudicial Execution Victims Families Association Manipur calls for suspension of CBI frame cops. Policemen deposed in fake encounter cases. Min assures free medical benefits to drivers. NSCN-IM KNA threat fire in Ukhrul.
Imphal Free Press.
High Court seeks status report of Special Investigation Team in killing of 3 Manipuri boys by Army. 2 police officers appear before court in connection with fake encounter cases. Minister appeals to drivers to be vigilant of illegal drug cargoes. Villagers of Sejang and Mongbung wants eviction process aborted. FNR calls for reimagining Naga peace process.
The Morning Bell.
Interests and rights of Manipur to be protected, Rajnath assures Chief Minister. Rajnath to meet Chief Ministers of Northeast State over CAB. Trials for 2 different fake encounter cases held. MPP stages impromptu rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Border area students meet President of India as part of National Integration Tour.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. CSO Students Organization Women for continue protesting against CA Bill 10 hurt in protests. People's Day held at Chief Minister Secretariat. CM hears various grievances. Cordon and search operation continue ahead of Republic Day celebration. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.